Hi guys, welcome back to Ron Physical Therapy. We're just going to run through a couple of videos just from requests from last week. So today we're going to be looking at some of the muscles that can affect the lower back. In particular, we're going to look at the external and internal hip flexors, which are the ones on the front of the leg and on the inside of the leg, and some of the guys that work up the lower back. Okay, so we're just going to run through a couple of those stretches first. So we're just going to look over that. Okay, so the first stretch that we're going to work on is going to be working on this area here. This one's called the couch stretch. Okay, so what we're going to do is put one hand to support, foot up onto the seat behind or the couch behind, drop the knee down slowly down onto the soft pad. Okay, so what we have to do here is lock our glute nice and tight, core nice and tight. That's to keep the hip level and the hip locked. We're going to push the line forward, and we should feel a stretch down the mid to front part of the leg. Okay, if you can't reach the floor, just stop where you can and just hold the stretch for about 7 to 10 seconds, release, and then apply again 7 to 10 seconds, 3-4 rounds of 7 to 10 seconds. The next stretch, so once we've released out the externals, we're going to go for the internals. So what we do is stand back up, slide the foot through underneath, rest it on the pad, back foot flat. This foot comes a little bit further forward. Again, squeeze the glute on this side, core nice and tight, and we're going to push forward. Again, locking the core and locking the glute. And this time we should feel a stretch on the inside of the front or the back leg. And if you don't feel the stretch straight away, what you can do is reach up, rotate, and stretch across to the opposite side, keeping the glute locked and the core locked. Okay? Now that's for the internal hip flexor, your psoas, which attaches onto your lower back. It runs down and connects onto the inside of the leg. And the last stretch we're going to run through is going to be for the lower back. It's for the lower lumbar itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to lie down on the ground, nice and slowly. And again, we're going to lock the core nice and tight. We're going to keep our hips flat to the floor. We're going to slowly take our knees to our chest. Hold the knees, keep this portion flat to the floor. Stretch down. Again, big breath in, release, pull the stretch in. Hold for about 10 seconds. Release for 2, big breath in. Again, bring to the next point of tension, 6, 7 out of 10 on the stretch. 10 seconds and release. And relax. Now all of these stretches are going to be approximately 7 to 10 seconds long. To the point of tension, if you hit pain on a stretch, you've gone way too far. So 7 to 10, even on the stretch barrier, about 7 to 10 seconds, release for 2, and repeat 3 to 4 times as needed.